Hello everybody, this is Jeff here, and we are back with Dwarf Fortress, and our trader has a mood. And to kick it off, it's a smithing mood! Huzzah! Maybe we won't get some useless crap, so we must follow him. Okay, so follow you up to the smitheries. You won't know what you're going to make, obviously, but will make something more useful than a freaking crafting trinket. So, gems, leather, stone, more stone, possibly more stone, some bars of metal, of course, some rough color, so a rough gem, possibly 2 rough gems, cut gems. We're back to leather and skin. Good, 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 good. We shall let you go on with your job. Make me something wonderful and amazing. Something useful. You made that out of that. That's probably copper. Yeah, that's probably copper. Cat. So there's your gems. So yes, his uncut gem. Rough milk opals. Good, good, good. Good. You shouldn't have to go very far for what you want to grab, too. It should all be in roughly the general area. You want another rough gem? There is another rough gem. This one is a more milk opals. So we shall follow you back, as you have what I believe is copper, 2 milk opals, and what else would we get? As he runs down, oh, he's running up, so he's going for the cut gems now, because they're being stored here. So what do we have? What is the cut gem you have grabbed? Clear zircons. Good, 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 good. Come here, kitty. I don't want you over there. I don't want you over there. That's right. Give you some pettings. I don't have the dash cam set up, so... Getting paused there for a second. There we go. He's got some leather. Kind of leather. Porcupine leather. That is the kind of leather we have. What else we're going to grab? There's your stone. Galena. And off we go. Okay. What else we're gonna have? That's more galena, I know that. You're also grabbing the tetrahydrite. So you wanted 3 stone. They're all ores. Galena, galena, tetrahydrite. What was that message? Cancels. No ammunition. Roger. Roger, Dodger, Podger, Pooger. Begun a mysterious construction, so we shall jump cut until he is done. Alrighty, we are back because it's done. And what we have for ourselves is a wonderful copper crossbow. Let's see if it's worth anything, too. Ooh, 75,600. Copper crossbow, all craft worship is of the highest quality, is encircled with trillion cut milk opals and cushion cut clear zircons, studded with copper. This object menaces with spikes of milk opal, porcupine leather, and galena. On the item is an image of Knot Craters, the Clara Opal ring in galena. On the item is an image of Lyric Whip, the native gold toy boat in tetrahydrite. Beautiful, beautiful little thing. Another nifty and handy artifact to have. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Thank you all for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to hit that stupid little bell thing that YouTube has added, because otherwise you won't get notifications of any new videos if you subscribe. Also, follow me on Twitter, @GenJeft, as I always have my video updates on there, so you will never miss a video if you're on my Twitter feed, because they'll all be posted. And any other dumbass comment I make as well. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.